Watch, the worm is just coming out. Look.
What the heck happened?
Have you ever hooked a fish like that before?
What the heck happened, dude?
Niggas out here throwing dirt up on my name. God bless. I don't love them, I just charge it to the game. God bless. I'm trying to win chips like LeBron James. God bless. Oh, things that they do for the fame. God bless. All I gotta say is 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 God bless.
Big ones, but it's itty bitty.
This is the intro right here.
It's the future of bass fishing.
God bless. Let's God bless. I do this for the riches, I don't need the fame.
It's like that bold bluegill. I think that's what that color is.
It's like a brown and laminate chartreuse green or whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
I don't even know how to pronounce that color. But there you go.
Right out here on the drop shot. Buddy Miguel over there.
Right on top of the mouth too, good.
Nice.
It's like a piercing.
You just hopping in or something? What is that, a tube
Yep,
jig?
just really crawling really slow.
I was thinking about going to a shaky hit too. Nice, dude. Stayed with another one. He went down there to where the water goes out and snagged him one. Same worm. I switched up to my worm that's like that one, but it's a 6-inch, so I cut about 2 inches off, and now I got me one. Nice.
Not my personal best, I promise.
Nice.
Early in the morning Sunday. Can you ask for more? Literally in our backyard, 2 miles away from our house. Wife's not even awake, and we catching fish. Anyways,
Good time out here.
that's right.
Miguel got one. He was trying out David's rod, and yeah, he liked it. It worked. David's Kessler rod right there. Miguel was doing the review on it. I think he liked it.
Nice.
David with another one. Killing him on that one.
I'm the Dink Master today.
Yep. Nothing big biting today.
Definitely, I'm gonna win tournaments with that fish.
Skinny little sucker too. Nice. They've got another little one.
Smallest bass of the century, and he's 30.
30 fish.
30.
Used to seeing Miguel with those dirty fish.
Robo worms catching them today. They love that thing.
Drop shot. A little bit better.
Stockier one. This one's like a half a pound.
They were catching them like crazy today.
I can feel his weight. PB for today, that's for sure. Look at that stocky little guy. What do you want to call him, Chad?
That one's Jeffrey.
Jeffrey it is.
See you later, Jeffrey. Catch you next time.
Good little fishy right there.
See you later, Jack. We moved to a new spot. We're over here now. We're casting out that way. That was my first cast. We both got bit on our first cast, throwing the drop shot.
Another little guy right there, guys.
See you later, Kurt. Miguel's on a better one, I think. What the heck? Dang.
Oh no, it's a bass.
Okay, fought so hard, hooked in the belly. This guy's always down near this stuff.
Yeah, big one's here.
It's small, no.
Gotta throw him back. Go with another one.
Got a better fish right there on the drop shot.
See you later, Pablo. Belly flop. Just came back from our lunch break. Over here on the other side, got a couple of my subscribers over here.
Nice one, man.
Nice. There
Hey,
you
what
go.
kind was it?
That was a bass.
Was it a bass?
Another one, guys, right there. Got him on the drop shot.
See you later, Gilbert. I've caught so many fish on that bait, dude.
Curry's hooked.
Like when I was your age, my uncle gave me that same exact bait, and I went to a rock quarry out in Irwindale and got like a 2.5 pounder on it.
Really?
Yeah, just reeling it.
Is that the Rapala or the Berkeley Flick Shake?
Yeah, the Rapala.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a floating Rapala or a
No,
sinking one?
sinking.
Nice, dude. Sweet. Fishing slowed down, but we're starting to catch them a little bit now. They're just biting mine.
Can you see it?
No. They've been caught before.
That looks
See
like
you
one
later.
of Chad's
He's
hooks.
free.
That's right there.
Got another one. Fishing really slowed down, big time. Got this one on the robo worm.
See you later, Dennis.
Doubled up.
Mine's bigger. Oh, nice one. I think that's
Oh,
the
yeah.
biggest one of the day.
Yeah, it is. Biggest of the day.
Whoa. Come on in there. They got it.
He's been hooked before too?
Yep, look at that on top of my fiddle.
Oh yeah, he's all tore up.
Take my
Drop shot. Hey, worms down there. Starting to heat up out here now. It's been so slow. It's been slow for like a couple hours now. Hour and a half.
Biggest one of the day right there, guys. Got him on the drop shot. The worm is a robo worm. It's called bull bluegill. And it's 6 inches, but I'm taking about 1 inch off. And I'm just nose hooking it on the drop shot.
See you later, Nick.
Biggest one of the day right here, guys. I got this one on a hula grub with a shaky head. Just hopping it on the bottom. This guy smoked it.
I just ran into some of my subs right here. You guys want to say hi?
Hi, guys.
You fish here too. I scared. We just came back from
Yeah.
Pedlo.
I'm not a poser.
First cast.
first cast, literally.
Yeah, like I was telling you guys, David was coming back from work. He just got off work to meet me over here, and we're back at it. David made the first cast out here, and bam.
I hope they grow a lot bigger than that over here,
yeah.
that's for sure. But still, a fish is a fish, and it's a good sign. Chad got the big ones anyways.
Just got your mojo back as soon as you got back.
Yes, sir. It's a bit bigger. A bit more quality to it.
Cooked him in the gill under there. Probably gotta open his gill up and...
No, it's not even in there. Watch, it's just gonna pop out. Open your gill. Say ah. Watch, the worm is just coming out. Look.
What the heck happened?
Have you ever hooked a fish like that before?
What the heck happened, dude?
Whatever. I didn't even have the fish. He just had it in his gill. Anyways.
Wow.
That's a weird fish.
How the heck did he suck it in backwards like that?
He went through the back of his gill.
If you guys have noticed, these last 3 videos, including this one, lots of crazy things have happened, guys. Check that out. Check out my last 2 videos and check out those last 2 crazy things. Finally got one, guys, since I came back from my little break. David's re-rigging. He's throwing on a leader. He just snapped off. See you later, Carl. Another one on the drop shot right here. Short little piggy. I'm gonna get this guy weighed right here.
He's zeroed out. Yep, they can see it. Fish are we catching?
There you go. Got it. David.
7.3, 0.73.
Yep.
Oh, is that a half a pound?
Half a pound. 3/4.
Yeah. Go ahead.
That's pretty good for a little fish like this to weigh 3/4 of a pound. That's pretty dang good right there, guys. Healthy little guy. Hopefully I'll catch you one day when you're like 5-10 pounds. See you later, Chris. Bigger ones start biting in the evening, it seems like. I've been here in the evening.
They took my bait off this jerk off. It's a tad bit smaller than the one you got.
Yeah.
So you feel the difference in that
Yeah.
line weight. It's probably like, I don't know. It's just a heavy fish. Look how thick it is.
Probably maybe
Thick fish.
0.6 maybe. Sweet,
Whatever.
dude. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you liked this video. Caught a bunch of bass today. I wasn't even keeping count, but caught a whole bunch. I had a lot of fun fishing with Miguel and my subscribers and my buddy David. Most of the fish were all caught on drop shots with the robo worm. The color was bold bluegill. The fish were real active in the morning, and then it started slowing down midday, and then yeah, it was pretty slow the rest of the day. I caught some good fish. I caught 2 bass that were about a pound, and then that other one that was like 3/4 of a pound. I ended up losing a big one at the end, but I never saw how big it was. But I don't want to say it was 4 or something like that, so because I didn't see how big it was. But I was reeling it all the way in, and then it got stuck on something in front of me, and then it started swimming out, and then my line snapped, so I only got 4-pound line. But I don't know how it got snagged. It never ever happens. I got snagged up. The fish like swam into something that was right in front of me and got snagged up, and it swam out a little bit and then snapped the line off. So I don't know how big it was, but overall had a great day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video today. Caught a bunch of fish, had a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit that like button if you like this video. If this is your first time watching, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell right there too, and it'll notify you every time I post a video. I'll catch you guys next weekend. Never stop fishing. Never. Peace out.
God bless. All I gotta say is God bless. God bless.